Right, Cassie's group is getting 8 scoops of boiling hot vinegar. 8. Just be careful. Don't put it down. And then when you finish with your 8 scoops, put the vinegar back into the kettle. I hope we got enough vinegar. Okay, now we're going to work here. Now Cassie's group is going to get one level teaspoon. So just scrape it flat.
Okay, so like look at how much water you pour in the beaker and the temperature of the thing. So when we write our results and methods,
Just watch how you do this. Take it like this. You see how much extra you got, and scoop it level. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon. Now, don't do it yet, but you're going to take this hot beaker. You're going to put it. Let's just put it here because I have a feeling things are going to react fast. Just let me see if you can see it. Now we need someone to time. Who's got a stopwatch? Phone with a stopwatch? Now what we're going to do is we're going to throw this in and time how long it takes. Starting the moment you throw it in. Okay, on your marks. Do you want to see? Come around and see.
It's gone up.
Get set. Go. Look how it bubbles. Now you got to decide when it's finished. That's the only variable. Would you say that's finished?
no.
Stop bubbling.
Okay.
You can see it.
Now there are a few bubbles, but I would call that finished, although you can... No, I hear nothing. Okay, so finish it. Now we're going to measure the temperature of it by putting it on the thermistor, switching it on. And let's 23, it says 23 over here. You can hear there's nothing going on there.
26.5.
Okay, so it's rising, 29.
1.
And you wait until it stops rising, and then that's the temperature you write. So here, Cassie's group is going to write under here whatever the final temperature is, and then who's going to be group 2? Okay, so the next group who does there are going to use 6 hot, 2 cold, and there's the cold.
But it's still increasing, isn't supposed to decrease because of because we're not getting cold.
So it's increasing the whole time.
So just, okay, so get yourselves into your groups and decide when you've decided which you're going to do, come and check with
So
me.
the temperature's increasing all the time.
Just when it stops increasing. So is it going up?
The 8.6.
Yeah.
It's still
Then keep watching it till it's
39 probably.
okay. This is what you will score marks for. Aim. Your aim is to find the rate of the reaction, right? Method. Describe how this was performed.
39.4.
Results, the temperature. Conclusion, you saw how quickly it went when it was hot. Now, well, let's see how quickly it goes when it's cold. I hope you're listening because this has all got to come in your description. Limiting reagent. The thing that was used up completely. There's still some vinegar, but there's no bicarb. So that's your limiting reagent. We wait until the limiting reagent is gone.
Yeah.
The equation, I gave it to you. The reactants, vinegar and bicarb. The products, well, that's carbon dioxide gas that's given off, and water and sodium acetate. That's part of your reaction. How do you know when the reaction's complete? No more bubbles, no sound, and the bicarb has disappeared. So that white powder has disappeared. Now, you have to explain a little bit about the digital thermometer. I just think I will explain that to you, not quite now, just rather everyone get their results and then we'll explain that.
40,4.
And then what's the dependent variable that we're measuring?
40,4. It doesn't increase
The
anymore. So
independent variable is the constant, is the temperature. The thing we actually measure is the time. So your independent thing that we can control is the temperature. So we know the temperature, but we got to measure the time. That's your independent variable. Temperature is your independent variable. Because that is the one we chose. You see, we choose So what's the final temperature? 40 point, okay, it's 40. So that's the one we choose, 40.0. Okay.
You make this yourself, sir?
Yeah. Right, next group. Come and get your hot and cold. We got the scoop.
What do you do? Hot water.
It's approximately,
What's the name of it?
it actually doesn't matter, it's just a scoop. We don't want any, the volume doesn't matter, but all that matters is that every group has a total of 8 scoops. So the next group is 6 hot, 2 cold. Who wants to be the next group? You see, don't rush, guys.
Sir, can you explain the part? Sorry, sir. Put the vinegar in hot water.
6 scoops of hot. So, do you want to do the next one?
Sorry, sir. So we must put the half of the first one.
And there's the temperature.
And what is the
The time that it took. No, and then time. And then what was your time? And then what was your time? Okay, so group 1, you all filling our right on the board. Right. Where's the next group? 6 hot, 2 cold. There's the cold. There's the hot. Every group's got all of those. No, every group does one of them and then we combine. So they done. That's why I need the next 3 people. Groups of 3. Guys, periods are short. Why don't you just get your groups together?
I'm watching experiments.
Yeah.
He's making bombs, huh? Was making bombs.
Okay.
Make a bomb, man.
Come and show us the next group how it's done so
Yes.
that we can see. Okay, would you mind, Timberlake? Okay, just come. Grab a bowl. Stick it in there to get warm. Okay, we'll show you. Now the next group's going to get... you don't have to wait as long because yours is... That's fine. Okay, that's fine. It's a little...
Vinegar.
This is vinegar.
And yeah, I know this.
Okay, 6 scoops full of that. Would someone just from your group come and pour? So you pour 6 and then into there. 6 hot, 2 cold. Okay, so that's 10 Okay. Your own. Just describe what you're doing. One time.
So can I get up?
Okay. 6 hot. Now let's get the 2 cold. There's the cold. In ice.
Must you put all of that in?
2. No.
What's that?
That's ice cold vinegar. So we're getting different temperatures. Okay. So you'll agree that this is slightly less hot than the previous one at 40.4. Stick that on you and let's get the temperature. Just put that on there. Stick it on there. Okay, let it go. Not yet. Now you get a teaspoon of bicarb. Right, there you go. You know how to get it level. So that's timber, electric, and
assemble
I'll just get it all the way full. Okay, there we go.
Keep the knife up. No, turn the flex over knife. There we go.
So Cassie,
There.
it was your 4 that did that first group. Okay. Let's just see if it's done correctly.
Should blow up.
Just scrape it again. There, you see, you still had a bit left. Okay.
Do it the cream.
Now that's fine. Okay, great.
Vinegar.
Now there you go.
Must I time it when cheese?
Now when get your timer ready
For what? now?
Must taste it.
to test when the last bubbles are finished. Temperature is at the moment 39.0. Okay, are you ready to start timing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, throw it in. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, 11, and 12. But you timing. Now look, look for when it stops bubbling.
What's the temperature?
Just let's listen. Put your ear on it. Is it still bubbling?
I can see it.
You can see it's still bubbling. Okay, I can also see it's still got a few bubbles going.
Low temperature.
Okay, it's 38.5. Tell me.
Done now.
Oh, you think it's finished? Put your ear to it. Does it sound finished? Okay, I would stop. 1.07.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 1 minute,
1 minute and
and 7.56. So that's 68 seconds. 68 seconds. Okay, I didn't want to get this wet, but we'll have to try and find a piece of dry.
Temperature?
And 38.9. Okay, great. Next group.
Discover this himself.
What is this from? Bicarb and vinegar. I've been doing this for years. This is what, and I think something, if you have a fire, and you douse the fire, bicarbonate, and we've done this before. You won't discover this.
Okay, name on the next group.
Folk or for hot.
Okay, 4 cold, 4 hot, and who's in charge of your group?
Albert.
Okay, great. Lovely. Great. 4 hot and 4 ice.
So what do we do first?
This one I wouldn't, don't heat your beaker. Don't heat your beaker because you're putting 4 hot, 4 cold. So, you can just bring it. Okay, come your group, 4 hot.
So put it until it's full, so
4 hot.
Can't you minutes? Kasman. So what is this for?
A scoop. And then 4 cold. 4 cold.
It's probably 14.
So here's our time so far.
That's probably 1 90 or 80. Yeah. It's 80.
What was the temperature? Was it 38?
180.
Have you got your? Have you got your? Is that your stuff? Okay, get your.
this is our
Get your spoon of. Sorry, which is your one?
That's what I'm saying.
That one. So let's get that one out the way.
That's enough, sir. That's enough.
Okay, now scrape it.
Scrape it in the what?
Scrape it over there.
Oh yeah.
There we go. You've got to start timing. You must be ready to time. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. Should stop.
Okay, next group.
Wait, sir.
Next group, come and get ready. I can't get you. Does a hot vinegar reaction go faster or slower?
69%.
How does the temperature affect the rate of the reaction? Does it look like it's getting faster or slower? Are you finished it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was your time?
59,14.
I would still say it's reacting.
No, it's not.
Stopped.
Stop, sir.
59.14.
That
Okay.
time alone, check
That's smart.
Okay, what do you get as your temperature?
24,6.
Is it changing?
24,6. No, so it's faster.
Right, next group.
Yeah, please.
Okay, pleasure. Well, luckily we're doing it the hot first and the cold later. But why don't you mention that in the discussion of things that we must keep constant? I don't mind if nobody else does it next, but you're going to just not get any marks, those people who haven't done it. So come and do it. I've got the names of the people who've done it. Sorry? I need someone to come and do the two hot, 6 cold. Okay. Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's just grab that. Just say it again.
So on the trades it says all the things that you have explained, right? So we will get the meanings of it.
Where will you get?
The meanings of the install thermometer, the voltage, the fire.
That I'm going to explain. I just want to get this finished. So that's 2 hot and 4 cold. Don't.
What the hell?
What seems to be finished today is I'm not bringing this stuff. So I think your group has not yet done the last.
6 cold left.
There's 2 more groups. So we're doing the 2 hot, 6 cold, and we need someone to do 8 cold. So stay and do that one. I can't hear you.
The ones who are going to finish, are we going to wait for them to finish?
Don't break it.
Or should we go on and then write them down?
We'll get the ones we got so far. So get that done. We're going to do it in a moment. Then I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll post Okay, we'll post the last 2 results. But has every group done? Because so what do you need?
Vinegar. Cold vinegar.
Cold. Here's the cold. Do you want some more cold vinegar? So just use that. It's standing in ice. How many you need?
Cold and 6 cold. Just one. So that's 2 hot and 6 cold, not 4 cold. That's 2 hot and 6 cold.
Yours 6 color. I'm just showing you. With a knife. Anyway, come here.
Okay, just hang on. Scrape it again with the Okay.
You can smell it.
Hang on. Are you ready to start timing? Okay. And why don't we put this on here
I knew that.
while it's doing that? And the last group, the 4 cold. I mean the all 8 cold. Let's just try and get this real cold.
20.6. Dropping. 20.
59.40. And 24. So you 2 points. Still going, eh?
Now it's rising again.
19.5.
Het is het daarna dus.
Ja, 19.5.
Tot aan je.
19.4. Still seems to be going, doesn't it? Look at it, you can see it still bubbling.
Is het
It's not interval yet. But your group, the last group, you did the last group. Just get your 8 ice cold going. There's the ice cold vinegar.